We'll guide you through how to hide wishlist on Steam. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, head over to your main computer screen. Before changing any settings, open up your friend's Steam account and use it to check your own profile first so you can see how your wishlist currently appears to other people. Go to your Steam name from your friend's view, open the drop-down menu, and select Friends. From there, open your account profile page, scroll down until you find the Games section, and then click Wishlist. You should now be able to see that your wishlist is visible and not hidden. Next, search around your desktop and locate the Steam application icon. Point your mouse at the Steam icon and double-click it to launch the application. After Steam finishes opening, take a look at the top of the interface and press on your profile name to open its drop-down menu. From the available options, press Profile to open your own profile page. Once your profile page appears, look toward the right side of the window, hover your mouse over the Edit Profile button, and click it one time. The profile settings page will now appear on your screen. Look at the navigation menu on the left side and press the Privacy Settings option to open your account privacy controls. In the center of the page, find the Game Details setting because this controls who can view information related to your games and wishlist. Press the drop-down menu located directly next to Game Details. Then move your mouse over the Private option and click it to select it. After making the change, look at the setting once more and make sure it shows Saved next to it, confirming that the new privacy option has been applied successfully. Finally, return to your friend's Steam account, refresh or reopen your Steam profile, and check it again. Your game details and your wishlist should now be completely hidden from other users viewing your profile.